Hello everybody, Dude Snake here. Sorry I have the TV on, but today I got a very special package in the mail, and it's from YouTube. Not really, because you've seen the title and this is a parody, but we're gonna pretend like it is. Well, not a parody, it's like a skit. I shouldn't have said that, but alright everybody, so this is the package, and I'm gonna cut into it. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that up here. Alright. I don't want to cut what's inside because I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Otherwise, you won't be seeing this video. So if you're seeing this video, it's probably the play button. Even though it is, and I know that already. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what's inside. I've seen these before. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. I'm not gonna look. Not gonna look. Guys, wait. There you go. Oh, guys. Look at the back. I'm gonna flip it around. Read that, guys. I haven't passed 100 subscribers yet, but they must have sent it to me. They didn't. They must have sent it to me because I'm really close to 100 subscribers. Give me 100 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, click off because you're bad at Fortnite, and I'm gonna delete your Apex account. Okay, don't bully me. Whoa, guys. I can't believe we've actually grown this much, though. Over the last almost 2 years. 100 subscribers. That's not a lot of subscribers, but it's still a lot of people, you know. People are out here having millions of subscribers. That's not good. But look up 100 subscribers on Google, then go to images. It's really like a lot of people, though. Still. And it's amazing that we've gotten this far. I'm gonna hang this on the wall probably later, but this is still really awesome.
Did you destroy your bedroom?
Yeah. Well, I'm thankful for this, and thank you guys for subscribing if you haven't clicked off. Goodbye.